Miss me. Leave this heartbroken holding that smoking gun. I guess that's just the way that mostly run. Long live cat.
Holy fuck, just about fell through the floor there. This is like walking on sketchy ice almost. Oh, look at that. As if that doesn't make things fucking worse. All right, so I just about fell through the floor. We got a big ass fucking wasp nest. And yeah, all the wood up here for the joist seems good. And then these trusses are good. I don't know, I'm pretty happy. It's just the subfloor that needs to be changed. Woo! All right. Pretty impressed with those trusses. They're in good shape, actually. The subfloor is fucked. The south-facing boards are fucked, but the north-facing ones aren't too bad. These ones are pretty good.